to our journey for today. Anyway, today is the day I take Swavy on a surprise date and she has no idea where we're going. I'm super excited to vlog this day because she's a very special person to me and she has a really big heart. So I just decided to do something randomly and amazing, of course. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is almost that time for baby to find out where she's going. How do you feel? Are you excited? Where do you think we're going?
I have no clue.
You down for anything, right?
I guess so.
Baby?
Today, I guess I am.
Oh, okay. All right.
I just want to say, my wifey, she always doing something loving. She got a very big heart, very generous, you know what I'm saying? And every time she puts something together for me, it's always something good. So, and I know you spent a little money on this, so I know it gotta be something. You know, I'm seeing in my shape. Dirty or clean? I don't think I like this. Dirty or clean? I'm not doing them though.
You look cute, baby.
Say what I want, what's the ah!
Alright, let's go.
It's the cool, and I stick and move, nigga. I ain't never in the loop. I be chasing a track and I'm independent. You be chasing your ex, I priorities different. I don't rap shit quick, niggas know I'm gifted. Wanna be top, bitch, how you
Do you know where we going?
We're going on that plane thing.
What plane?
That plane.
We're going on a helicopter ride.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's dope. I knew we was going on that plane thing. That's scary, fool.
I know. I'm scared too.
Okay.
Hi, sexy. I love you. You ready to take our love to new heights?
I thought we was going to Six Flags, yo. I swear to God. I'm like, yo, we going to fucking Six Flags Safari or some shit. That's what I thought we was going.
Alright guys, if you can make a nice circle.
You ready to go, baby?
Yeah, we lit.
It's almost time for us to fly.
Yo, shoot.
Okay, guys. So I think you guys should drop some ideas in the comments below for Swavy. Swavy, do you need any surprise date ideas?
Nah, I'm the king of this shit, but y'all can slide them though. I mean,
I think I'm up one right now, though, guys. I think I'm up one. If you guys think I'm up one, drop it in the comment section below and say Team Haji, because I'm knocking this out the park right now.
hey baby,
Hey, Daddy.
hey girl,
Hey, boo.
you so fun. You so fun. You blow my mind.
Baby. Baby, how you feeling?
I'm ready, baby.
I got my best friend.
What you nervous for, girl? We here with professionals, baby. Good.
Is there anything that anyone